Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm featuring the Helix Kids mattress. Thanks so much for sponsoring this video. We've been working on Ruby's room and making it more comfortable for her, and this mattress is the perfect addition. This is a full-size mattress that comes with 2 pillows as a bundle. The Helix mattress has a 2-sided design for growing kids with safety in mind, tested and approved by kids, adult professionals, and parenting publications. Before I could even ask Ruby if she liked the mattress, the next morning she came and told me, like, "Mom, I really like the mattress. It's so comfortable and bouncy." It's been about 2 weeks since she's been sleeping on it, and it really is. Designed by Helix Sleep, it's a premium in a box designed specifically with growing kids' needs and preferences in mind. Helix Kids mattresses are guaranteed safe, comfortable, durable, and conveniently shipped directly to your door. I was drawn to the Helix Kids mattresses because they are made without harmful chemicals and have undergone extensive lead testing to ensure little sleepers' safety, as well as eco-friendly and plant-based durable water-resistant finish that is both stain and water repellent, because Helix knows that accidents can happen. We also love that the Helix Kid mattress has been tested and approved by medical doctors, sleep consultants, and child behavioral specialists, as well as real parents and kids. Helix Kid mattress was also named Best Overall Kids Mattress by Today's Parent. One of the best parts for me is that Helix will deliver your Helix Kid mattress right to your door. The mattress comes rolled up in a box and it's super easy to set up yourself, like I'm doing here. Don't miss out on the Black Friday sale. It's 25% off your Helix Kid mattress plus 2 free pillows. If you're looking for a new mattress for your kid, check out Helix Sleep. Their Black Friday sale is running now for a limited time, and it's a great time to upgrade your mattress right before the new year. You can click the link below or helixsleep.com/URL to get 25% off your Helix Kid mattress. This video was supposed to be more laundry based because I had so much laundry to do, but my kitchen is always dirty. I ended up cleaning it twice in this video amongst all of the laundry that I had to do. And I know it is time for the fall decor to go. I was late, but again, I don't like seasonal decor. And I'm ready for the fall decor to go. I'm so tired of looking at it. And I got a memory on Snap from 1 year ago yesterday that I already had my Christmas decor up this time last year. So I gotta get to that. I did break apart the couch earlier before I started filming this part, just to vacuum it and get underneath the couch where the rug is. There were so many crumbs. The kids and their friends are always hanging out down here eating a bunch of snacks, and I love that for them, but the mess is horrendous. I also had a guest coming any minute, so I was kind of rushing here. I just picked it up the next day. I've needed to fold this pile of towels for at least a week. We've been fishing and just grabbing towels when we need them. I think that's what I was explaining here. I forgot what I was talking about. But yeah, I'm gonna fold up these towels and I'll be switching multiple loads of laundry. I did all of the clothing, but I'm gonna film that in another video.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we
I didn't even bother to separate the loads. It's just a huge pile of clothing on the floor in the laundry room. I have the camera up so you guys don't see all that. But yeah, I didn't separate anything. I just fished around and got the colors that I needed out. I just grabbed all the darks and I missed a few, but that's fine. They'll go into the next load.
for me, yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah.
I'm back in the laundry room to switch the loads. I took a little break to eat and I got cold, so you guys already know I put my robe on. This video is really short. I'm looking at the footage and I'm like, wow, I did so much, but it seems so little.
What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah.
I'm glad that the girls know how to cook food for themselves now, but this is what the sink be looking like at least twice a day, because they're all eating down here. We're all eating all the time at home. So tons of dishes to do, and I'm getting ready to make dinner. I was making salmon on this night. I should have filmed it, but I didn't. I thought I had more than enough footage, you guys. I'm really sorry about the short video.
I would do anything for you. You know you're everything. You know you're everything to me. Spitting shade in the cold is just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flames going high with my bad patience? I hate it always.
I'm back upstairs to switch the laundry again and then fold the last pile of towels that I needed to. We were having a sleepover on this night, so as I was filming this video, I was also preparing for our sleepover.
It's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. I think I'm arsenic, but you don't mind that I'm toxic. Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flames going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about
And that is it for this video on a day where I did not feel like cleaning. I did not want to do this laundry. I was in such a bad mood doing this, but I'm so glad that I got it done. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.